Hey guys, so today we're about to make some banana pudding. So sit back, relax. This recipe is super easy. It has a little twist to it. And y'all, this banana pudding was so delicious. Like, y'all, let's just get into the recipe, y'all. So you're gonna need some jello pudding mix. Of course, I went with the banana flavor. Some vanilla wafers, milk, banana. All this stuff is off brand except for the jello. Some whipped cream, and my secret ingredient, some sweetened condensed milk. First, we're gonna make the whipped cream from scratch. You can buy yours, which will make it even easier for you. You're just gonna pop it into your mixer, add some sugar, add some vanilla until it gets nice and fluffy and stiff peaks. And then you wanna set that to the side. Basically, just follow the directions on the back of your packages, but I'm using 3 packs of the jello pudding mix, banana flavor, and it's 2 cups to each pack. But as you're gonna see here, I only use 5 cups because we're adding the condensed milk. We're also gonna add the whipped cream, so it's more than enough liquid going down in here. All right, now for the fun part, we're just gonna put it all together. As you can see, it's already tightening up. I'm just gonna throw it all in there. I'm not gonna really put it in perfect formation. You can do that, of course. You just want to put as much cookies as you want, or as little. And also, you're gonna start cutting your bananas right down in there. And I'm probably gonna do about 2 or 3 layers of cookies and bananas, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do next. Alright, so after 1 hour, you want to put the rest of your whipped cream all over the top. You see how it's easier now to spread the whipped cream because you let it set up a bit in the refrigerator, so it's much easier to spread. Then you just want to cover it with the cookies, however formation you want to. I chose to go around the rim of the bowl and then crush up some cookies in the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was just so delicious. The whipped cream and the condensed milk definitely made it light and silky. I hope you try my version of it, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.